Let's see a C program to understand how nested if-else approach works in C. So here we will be accepting marks obtained by a student in 5 different subjects. Based on these marks, we'll be calculating the percentage, and based on the percentage, we'll find out which division the student has got. For finding out the division scored by the student, certain rules have been mentioned here. So if the percentage is above or equal to 60, it's a first division. If the percentage is between 50 and 59, it's a second division. If the percentage is between 40 and 49, it's a third division. And if the percentage is less than 40, we will declare that the student is failed. So let's see a C program. Here we are starting this program with a comment, that is C program to calculate the division obtained by the student using nested if-else approach. Here comes a hash include preprocessor directive, which is including standard input-output header file. Then comes a main function with return type void. Inside main function, I have declared a few integer variables. These integer variables will be used for storing the marks of 5 subjects. The first variable will store marks of maths. Second one will store marks of chemistry. Third one will store marks of physics. Likewise, fourth one will store marks of biology. And then the last variable will store marks of computer. On the next line, we have taken a float variable PER for storing the percentage. Here we are using a printf function for giving a message to the user, that is to enter the marks in 5 subjects. By making use of scanf function, we are accepting the marks. So as per the syntax of scanf function, here comes a format string. As these variables are declared as integers, we are using format string %d. And then along with ampersand, we have to put the variable name. The marks entered by the user will be out of 100. For calculating percentage, we are using this formula. So here we are adding the marks scored in all the subjects into 100, divide by 500. So as every subject is of 100 marks, for 5 subjects, the total will be 500. Here by making use of printf function, we are printing the percentage scored by the student. And here comes the if-else construct. Let's try to understand how we have added these 4 conditions inside if and else statements. So first comes the if statement. Inside if, the condition is percentage greater than equal to 60. So here is the first condition. As per this condition, the output will be, congratulations, you have got the first division. If this condition is false, it will come down to else. And inside else, we can see the nested if-else approach. So inside this else, I have added the second condition by making use of if statement. The second condition is if the percentage is between 50 and 59. So our condition is if percentage is greater than equal to 50, the message congratulations, you have got second division will be printed for the user. If this condition will be false, it will come down to this else statement. And here comes our third condition. That is if percentage is between 40 and 49. So for that, the condition is if percentage greater than equal to 40, the message congratulations, you have got third division will be printed. And then we have the last condition, that is when percentage is less than 40. That will automatically come inside this else statement, for which we are printing the message, sorry, you did not pass. This entire block is where we are making use of nested if-else approach. As it can be seen here, inside this else statement, we have got the entire if-else construct. Similarly, inside this else statement, we have got this if-else construct. Also, whenever we are including these if-else construct inside if statement or else statement, we have to indent them. That is, we have to leave some space in the beginning of these statements. It can be seen over here as well. After completing the code, we have to save it. I have already saved this program with the name student division. .c denotes that it's a C program file. After saving the program, We can go to execute and compile the code. This code has zero errors, zero warning. We can go back to execute and run the program. So here it is asking me to enter the marks in 5 subjects. Let's try out the first scenario, that is the first division. So the percentage scored by the student is 84, and for that we are getting a message, congratulations, you have got first division. As we can see from the code, the first scenario is quite simple. Whenever the percentage is greater than or equal to 60, this message will be printed. Let's try out second scenario. So I'll execute and run the program one more time. This time I'll provide the values. And here we can see that the percentage scored by the student is 42, for which we are getting a message, congratulations, you have got the third division. Let's see the flow of execution. So as the percentage is 42, it will check the if condition. Is 42 greater than or equal to 60? It is not. It means the condition is false. So it will come down to the else statement. Inside else statement, we have another if condition. Here it will check if 42 is greater than or equal to 50 or not. So the condition is false again. It will come down to this else statement. Here it will check if 42 is greater than or equal to 40 or not. Yes, the condition is true. So this message will be printed for the user. Let's provide another set of values. So I'll go back to execute and run the program one more time. So for this scenario, we're getting a message, sorry, you did not pass. Let's try to understand the flow of execution for this. So as the percentage is 14, it will check if 14 is greater than or equal to 60 or not. The condition is false. It will come down to this else statement. Inside this else statement, again it will check if 14 is greater than or equal to 50 or not. The condition is false again. So here it will come down to this else statement. Inside this else statement, again it will check if 14 is greater than or equal to 40 or not. So this condition is also false. It means it will come down and print this message for the user. Let's try out the last scenario for second division. So I'll run the code. And here we are getting percentage 55, for which we're getting a message, congratulations, you have got second division. Let's try to understand the flow of execution for this scenario. So here it will check if 55 is greater than or equal to 60 or not. As the condition is false, it will come down to else part. Inside else, it will check if 55 is greater than or equal to 50 or not. As 55 is greater than 50, the message, congratulations, you have got second division, will be printed for the user. So here we have covered one of the best examples to understand the working of nested if else approach in C. If you enjoyed this content, please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, P for Programming. Thank you.